Hey, hi, hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I hope that everybody is having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this makeup look right here. This one's dedicated to my dad because his favorite color is blue. This is the first time I ever attempt this makeup look. I did it as I went, and I hope that you guys get some tips and tricks as to how I did it as well. If you guys are interested in how I achieved this blue inspired look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I already primed my eyes and did my eyebrows off camera to save some time. Now I'm gonna put my hair up. There we go. And let's get started. Today I'm gonna use two different palettes. I'm gonna use the Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star and James Charles X Morphe palette. So starting off, I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to start with the shade Brain Freeze, which is this blue, and add that all over the crease. Once I get it to the intensity that I want that color, I'm going to go ahead and grab this color right here from the James Charles palette, and it's a little more intense, so I'm kind of nervous. Blue's a color that I normally don't work with. Okay, so I'm grabbing this shader brush from Lancome with that blue and using that more in the line of the crease area in the eye. I'm first to apply it doing patting motions and then going ahead and doing like a wishy-washy type of blending motion. I'm also bringing this color into kind of the outer V of the eyelid in order to start a dimension in the eye. Once the color is mostly applied to the eye, I'm going to, instead of applying it this way, I'm going to use my brush and turn it up and downwards in order to blend it up, and then going in with my big fluffy brush and trying to blend the two colors together. Now to build up that intensity, I'm going in with this purplish bluish color and adding that still in the crease of the eye, but a little bit lower than that blue that we just added. I'm using this small little packer, no, I don't know what you would call this brush, but it's a small elf brush. Same technique with the shader brush that we used the lighter blue with. I'm going to try to blend those two colors together. So in my opinion, blue is one of the hardest colors to blend together, and a lot of people can disagree, but personally, I don't know why I'm so afraid of blue. Grabbing that big fluffy brush and trying to blend all of the colors together. Now I'm gonna go in with a very intense color that I've never used before, so wish me luck. this one right here. It's called Soaked. It's this really pretty like royal blue color. I'm taking the Morphe E18 brush. Look at that. Oh, wow. I'm adding that on the outer V of the eye. I'm also gonna drag this color like towards the middle of the eye a little bit, just so that when I cut the crease, I have a guide. And the key here is to blend, 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 blend until your arm falls out in order to get the best possible outcome. So what I'm doing is adding product and then blending, adding product and then blending, making sure that I don't add too much product, and if I do, I can blend it out, building up that intensity without necessarily being too intense, if that makes any sense. After what it feels like forever of blending, I think I'm done. So now I'm going to use my P. Louise base in the color Rumor 0.5. Add that to the back of my hand, and we're gonna cut the crease with my little handy dandy Lancome flat brush. So I'm gonna do a half cut crease, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a half cut crease, and what I do is, now that I know a little more, instead of cutting literally on the line of my crease, I go a little bit beyond that so that when I have my eyes opened, you can still see the crease color. Now that I am about there and the product is still wet, I'm going to use this bluish color of like a shimmer. And with this little tiny flat brush, grab the product and add it to the part that I just creased. Now, because I want the intensity a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with Jawbreaker from the Jawbreaker palette and add that on top. Okay, after a very stressful time of cutting this eyelid to look exactly like this one, and if it doesn't, I'm sorry. Anyways. With this small, tiny little flat brush, I'm gonna grab the shade Brain Freeze again, which is this blue, and blend the shimmer into the outer corner. Okay, going back in with that really dark royal blue, which is soaked, this one. And the same brush that we used with it, I'm going to try to blend that out. Okay, everybody ignore this eye because it's not cooperating with me. Now with the Morphe E36 brush, I'm gonna grab this like navy blue color and mix it with a little tiny bit of black, just a little bit, and add that to the very tip of the V of the outer corner. So here's the real tea, y'all. I've never done this before in my entire life, but I'm gonna try to use some white eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner and the Morphe M217 brush to attempt to do a winged liner. The consistency of this eyeliner, very hard to work with. Very hard to work with. It's getting stuck in my eyelashes. If it was hard on this eye, girl, I'm nervous for this eye. I'm gonna try to do that off camera. Alright, I don't know if it's because I did this eye first, that this eye was easier, but it got all up in my lashes. It's just not a good time. But I added some eyeliner and okay, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and I will be right back to do the bottom lash line. Okay, now that I did the rest of my makeup, put on some lashes. By the way, I'm wearing Ardell Demi Wispies. I'm going to go in with this NYX Professionals Makeup white eyeliner and add that to my bottom lash line. Like that. And that just opens up my eyes quite a bit. Now grabbing this Anastasia Beverly Hills just brush that came with the their palettes, I'm gonna go in with this shade Brain Freeze and add that to my bottom lash line. Now grabbing this navy blue color, I'm gonna add that just on the outer edge of my eye. And now with this little tiny pencil brush, I'm gonna grab the shade Jawbreaker and add that to my inner corner. I'm gonna do my bottom mascara and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed watching this video as I did filming it. On my lips today is Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Crush. And this is actually the very first time I ever attempt this eye look. I made it up as I went, and I have to say I'm really proud of what it looks like, and I hope that you guys learned a thing or two or are able to get this done even better than I am. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for further videos.